Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook. So let's get started. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping the menu button located in the top right corner. Tap Settings in the appearing menu. Navigate to Account Center in the Settings menu, locate and tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down and select Accounts. Identify and remove the unwanted account by clicking Remove. To proceed, tap on Remove Account, and simply click on Continue. You will be asked to create new password for your Instagram account. If not necessary, simply choose Not Now. Tap on Yes, Remove, then you are done. So, that's all for today. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.